रूहानी खजाइन वॉल्यूम 23 पेज 231। जाहिर है जब एक बात में कोई झूठा साबित हो जाए तो फिर दूसरी बातों में इस पर एतबार नहीं रहता। Now you need to remember this last quotation. If you forgot everything else, remember this one. It says that if somebody is established to be a liar in one thing, we cannot trust this person in the other things as well. In simple terms, all we need to produce is one single lie of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, and our case is established. But inshallah, we'll definitely present more than that. This is brother page number 140 and Ruhani Khazan volume 3. Adnan bhai, can you please translate this one for the people? Rama, please, this one. Ghulam Qadir.
So Ghulam Qadir मेरे करीब बैठकर बावाज़े बुलंद कुरान शरीफ पढ़ रहे थे. Ghulam Qadir was reading the Quran sitting next to me in loud voice. और पढ़ते पढ़ते उन्होंने इन फिकरात को पढ़ा. And while he was reading, he read these sentences. कि Inna anzalnahu qariban min al-Qadian. That we revealed it close to Qadian. तो मैंने सुनकर बहुत ताज्जुब किया. When I heard these words, I became very astonished. कि क्या कादियान का नाम भी कुरान शरीफ में लिखा है? That is Qadian also mentioned in the Quran? This is Mirza talking now about this. तब उन्होंने कहा कि ये देखो लिखा हुआ है. Then he said, look at this, it is actually written in the Quran. तब मैंने नजर डालकर जो देखा, and then I saw, I looked at it, तो मालूम हुआ कि फिल हकीकत कुरान शरीफ के दाएं सफ़ा में, and then I realized that in reality on the right page of the Quran, शायद करीब निस्फ के, near perhaps near the half of the Quran के मौका पर यही इल्हामी इबारत लिखी है. And it is and this inspired sentence or statement is written there. तब मैंने अपने दिल में कहा, then I said in my heart कि हाँ वाकई तौर पर कादियान का नाम कुरान शरीफ में दर्ज है. That in reality Qadian is actually mentioned in the Quran. This is the translation, and it actually mentions the Arabic verse that Qadiani is attributing to Allah.
Yeah. Now Adnan bhai. Yeah. Now Adnan bhai, the question is, Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is saying that fil haqiqat, in reality, on the page of the Quran, close to the half of the page, this is mentioned. Now, this Sayyid was trying to say, oh, it was Nabi Muhammad, this and that. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is quoting the actual verse as well. In this verse, the clearly word Qadian is mentioned.